In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a life organizer using Notion, which is a powerful tool that can truly streamline your daily activities and enhance productivity. We'll go through a simple yet effective process to help you create a personalized space to keep track of your tasks, goals, and notes. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by accessing Notion. Simply head over to the Notion website by typing Notion, so into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, log into your workspace. This is where all your Notion magic happens. If you don't have a Notion account yet, you'll need to create one to get started. But don't worry, it's straightforward and free for personal use. Now that you're logged in, you're going to create a new page, and it's super easy. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option that says Plus New Page. Click on that, and a new page will open up. Let's go ahead and name this page Life Organizer. This will be your central hub for managing everything you need to track. Next, we're going to add some useful structures to your page. One of the most versatile features in Notion is the database. Scroll to the bottom of your new page and click on Database. From the options that appear, select Calendar. Congratulations! You now have your very own calendar view. This is where you can visually plan and review your schedule. With your calendar all set up, let's talk about populating it with your tasks and events. Click on any date within your calendar and begin typing to add your entry. Maybe you need to pay bills or have a team meeting at 3 p.m. Adding these details gives you a clear overview of what's coming up, helping you stay organized and not miss any crucial tasks or appointments. In addition to the calendar, it's helpful to have sections dedicated to your goals and notes. Simply scroll below your calendar and type out the command, Heading 2. Title these sections as Goals and Notes. This allows you to manage not only your immediate tasks, but also keep an eye on long-term objectives or any other reminders that are vital to maintaining your everyday balance. Now, to truly make this life organizer personal and engaging, let's customize its look. You can add a cover and an icon that reflect your personality or mood. Additionally, you can change the font style by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of your page. To ensure everything stays visually neat and accessible, use dividers by typing cross-out divider wherever you see fit. These little touches make your workspace visually appealing and easier to navigate. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've created an efficient, personalized life organizer in Notion. This setup is adaptable to any needs, whether you are keeping track of personal tasks or professional deadlines. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tool as beneficial as I have. Happy organizing!